What's up, YouTube? Desert Air Dudes here.
We are out of the field yet again. Today we are doing a fun fly. This is going to be our Christmas special, so
Yep.
I hope you guys enjoy. This is probably going to be a longer video because of, well, it's a fun fly.
Yep.
So,
and there's a lot of people, hopefully a lot of people participating.
yeah, we're hoping for a good turnout out here. We don't know what's going to happen yet, but we'll find out soon.
We'll find out very shortly. That we will.
Desert Air Dudes out.
Desert Air Dudes out.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh, you know what's funny? You can't see it on this because of the way the shutter's going. Oh, I guess you can kind of see it, but... Hey Curtis, I'm in charge today. You have to do exactly what I say, buddy.
Yeah, you tell him.
That is the first
Pull rank,
time
Kelly.
I'm gonna agree with you on that.
Yep. I will disqualify you from the competition. I'm the one with the clipboard.
My airplane wife is being mean to me.
We never thought this day would come, right?
Airplane wife?
Yeah.
Holler at me when it's my turn.
It's like the work wife, but the field
If you want to go
wife
next, you
instead.
can.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Oh, okay.
Nice, okay, you can get pretty high with that. I noticed Curtis has climbed really well with that 3-engine.
Alright, so I can climb for 10 seconds?
Yep, I'll tell you when to cut your engine. Yep. Thank you again.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, give me a name.
Get behind the red fence.
This thing's gonna stay out there forever, man.
I think you might actually be going backwards.
20 minutes. Maybe. He'll make a mistake eventually and lose altitude. He's already coming down a little bit. Remember, you gotta land too, Curtis. If you don't hit the runway, you're gonna disqualify.
Pretty high up there.
It's just hovering though. Curtis thinks he's gonna keep us out here for a week.
I don't know about all that.
Yeah, it's already came down a lot since the winter was up there. It's that wobbling that's getting
Oh, it's
messed
alright.
up. I guess you could go out that direction.
You know what it is? That's actually going to give me... No, that's on purpose, guys. Chill. It's giving me more... it's giving me more lift that way. If I come back around...
all the timers right now. Curtis is going to have a really good time to beat.
How much am I at right now?
You're at over a minute.
Alright, so here.
You better land on the runway though, or you're going to disqualify yourself. No, you ain't. You're going down, boy.
You're right, I did.
Oh, he just throttled up.
Oh my.
No, I'm
you
out.
throttled
I
up.
know, I'm out.
Oh, okay. He's disqualified.
I didn't want to dunk it out there.
Damn
but
it.
Yeah.
Getting on the runway is a big part of this.
Goes Ricochet Rich.
So 54 seconds is the highest.
What is that, an ultra stick?
Straight up.
Here's going to be ultra sticks. Oh. very hard to see on the camera. I don't think he's gonna make that. Nope. Power!
Qualified
Hey,
himself.
it's all good. Bring it back. It's okay.
Hey, I just want to say Rich went to the same spot he always crashes in, so that's okay. Everything's good there.
Whenever Rich lands.
Sir, you've already disqualified yourself. Get over it. Just land.
It's already game over. You might as well accept it.
Go!
Oh!
Whoa! I can't watch.
You got it. Easy
snap
movement,
roll
buddy.
on
Easy
landing.
movement. You got it, Rick. You got it.
Did you hear? That was your ricochet for the day.
Heads down.
Aw, and it flipped.
Success!
Alright, you ready?
Dude!
Go.
Here goes Jerry.
Ooh.
Yeah, no worries, man. Sorry, I was hoping you'd land and then I could hold it.
Oh my lord.
I lost him. Where are you? There you are.
Okay, I say we all go up at the same time after this. The wind dies out.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah, that's a fun one. Hey, Kelly, what do you think about
Started putting it down to get it back.
Got 25 seconds.
All right, here we've got Chris and his Trojan for the climb and glide.
I've been down there for an hour. The bird is ready.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, he's got double the height than anybody else does. Double the sink rate.
I don't even know if I'm seeing you, dude. Man, this is not easy to get here. You're right. It's just not really made for this kind of tilting. Christian is still uh-oh. Oh no!
All right, now it's Kelly's turn.
Hey Kelly, hold on. Stop. You're controlling two planes here, bud.
You guys didn't see that?
I didn't understand.
Kelly. Oh my God, you're impossible to follow. What are you doing? Is your elevator stuck?
No, I'm landing. I disqualified myself. I'm sorry. I hit the wrong button when I cut my engine and I couldn't cut the engine.
All right, we got Chuck with another Ultra Stick.
Or sticks.
Maybe it'll end up as Ultra Sticks. Oh.
Man, this thing is so fucking slow, it's ridiculous.
Oh, no runway. No runway for Chuck.
No, tear it up, bro.
That's another disqualification. All right, so this is the pylon race. The idea is to go around that pole, and then land past that white line.
You're ready. I'll count down. How about that? Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! Woohoo!
I got it. Let's got her. All right, Bob did it in 25 seconds. He set the time.
Good job, Bob.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
No! It went out of focus. Dude. I know. Dude. Full speed into the ground. That sucks, man. I wish it did that. What a.
Give it to Rich. He'll take it. No, it's fixable.
Yeah, but it's no count. He didn't cross the line.
It'll be back up in the air in 5 minutes. It's fine.
down.
Did you unplug the battery?
No, not yet.
Dude.
I know everybody has trouble getting their planes into their cars, but when they look like this, it doesn't matter.